Hey guys, so I made this water squishy and it's apparently a fidget toys, and I want to show you guys what I really want that I've been wanting for a long time. I have a lot of things I really want to show you guys. Images. So do you guys see this puppet? You guys have to pop holes in them, and they are really satisfying. I really want one of those, and I also want a. These are pea puppets. I really want one of them. They're really cool. I'll show you guys what else I want. Fidget toys. Also, this is called a water squishy. If you guys are wondering, if you guys want me to show you guys how to make these, I can definitely help you guys. And if my dad is watching this, hi. Oh yes, I really want one of. You guys see those thingies with the balls inside? I really want one of those right here. Just have to squish them like a normal ball. Oh, there's so many. Do you guys see that green thingy? The green remote right there. I really want that. And you guys see those big mochis on the top? The kitchens? I really want one of those. I want those too. Mostly everything on here. I really want them all. And I also really want is these squishy balls on the top. If you squeeze them, they will honestly just, the ball inside of them will pop out. I have one of those, but like those popped opened. Oh, I really want one of these. I really want this too. I want this one really bad. I just showed you guys the pea puppet, but I really want one of those too. Oh, and this cubesy thing. So you guys see these right here with the marbles? I really want one of those because they're really cool. I mean, they're cool to me, but I don't know about you guys. Oh, I really like these. So when you squish it, they turn into colors. I really want one of those, and I also really want. I'll just show you guys this one, but it's like a baby toy, but y'all, it's like a puppet. Oh, look, there's a puppet right there. I really want one of those, and I might yeah. Also, Daddy might see this if you want to say hi to Dad. Okay, so what else? Yeah, I want to show you guys another puppet. I really want like 5 of the puppets, and some. I actually just want 3 pop. I want 2 puppets, 3 puppets, and some like marbles, so I can just randomly throw it on the puppet and then count numbers. Like I saw those all over TikTok, and I really want one. Even these marble balls, I really want them. I don't know how to get them. Oh, I really want these two. The pink ones. They're really cool. Oh, look, look, there's Among Us puppets too. Oh, that's cool. I want one. Among Us puppets. I really want one of those, but I want the normal ones. We're gonna go back to search up puppets to see how much they cost, and I'm gonna ask my mom or dad. Puppets. fidget toys. Puppet fidget toys. Images. So there's a lot of these puppets. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. But look at this one. There's even a white one. These are really famous. I really want one of those stacks. Or the pea puppet right there, the green one right here. I really want one of those. Those are really cute. And the puppets are really famous. Puppets are really fun to have. Oh, look, there's a pineapple one. Really cool. Oh, there's different type of shapes. I even saw an Among Us one. I showed you guys earlier. Oh, there's the carrots. And there's also a teddy bear. Let's click on the teddy bear. See the teddy bears. I really want one. Ooh, this glow in the dark puppet. I really want one of those.
Ooh, that's cool.
I know, right? I really. Oh, look at this one. This one's so cool. Oh, this one too. Look, there's a unicorn one.
Wow, that's cool.
Okay, guys. I'm just making a TikTok. But damn, I really want one of those. They're called puppets, if you guys are wondering what they are called. Oh, look, there's Peppa Pig. The purple one is Peppa Pig. Oh, wow. Look at this. A cute one. It's red. Why does it show orange? Oh, am I just colorblind? No, I cannot be colorblind because I know colors. But we're going to just swipe it away. Well, that's it for today's video. I just want to show you guys my new fidget toy, and also wanted to show you what I really want, or what fidget toys I really want. Mostly I want all of them. I want a basket so I can put everything in. But peace out, guys. Bye.